Hi guys, in today's video I'll be introducing you to an application using which you can make $50 every single hour. So this is an amazing application and I came across this application a little while ago and I was amazed to see that how much money people are making using this application on automation. Now this app doesn't need you to have any kind of skill. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer or a laptop or any tablet or any kind of device so that you can get yourself enrolled onto this app and start making money on the internet. Now you must know that you can be from anywhere in this world but still sign up on this application and start making money online. Now I would like to also mention you that this video is not sponsored by this application. I'm creating this video only because I genuinely find this application so helpful and useful to all of you that I want to share it with you. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now let's get started. Now I want you to go to this app called as enrollapp.com. So you can see that the URL here is Enroll App. Now this app is an amazing app. You can earn literally hundreds of dollars every single day using this application without putting in much effort. So as you can see that the first step is see what real companies are working on right now and then let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. So basically what happens is that they provide you a platform where you will be reviewing all the apps which are coming into the market. You need to test those apps. So you can take these tests anywhere. You can be from your smartphones, you can be from your tablets, from your desktops, or whatever you prefer. That's the best part. It doesn't need you to have a computer all the time in your own hand. You can just have a smartphone around you. You can go to your subway, you can go to a metro, you can go to a movie and yet take the test side by side and start making money. Just imagine you're watching the movie and by spending 5 minutes of this in your smartphone, you'll be making $5. So you make the money which you are spending in movie back within just a few minutes. So that's the best part of this application. Now, one more advantage which I'd like to give you is that they will be paying you via PayPal. So just imagine getting paid into PayPal, which is directly connected to your bank account. So this means you'll be getting money very soon in your bank account. I know you love PayPal and how trustworthy PayPal is, we all know about it. Now you can basically change the internet by getting those applications which are going to be changing the future on your own hands. You will be the one who will be reviewing it. So there's a noble cause attached to this website. So far there have been over 651,315 tests taken. That means these many apps or tests were performed. So make sure that they are not having any errors or reviews or some positive feedbacks. Now as you can see that to enroll yourself into this app, all you need to do is click on the sign up button on the top. Now to get yourself enrolled, all you need to do is you need to enter your email address and a password to get yourself signed up. So let me enter that. So now once I've entered my information, I'll just click on this enroll now button here. And now it will ask me for my email verification. As you can see that they have sent a confirmation email. So now what I need to do is I need to go into my email and confirm this. So as you can see that I have received this email on my email ID. Now I'll just click on confirm my account and my account will be confirmed. So now I just need to log into this. So I'll enter my email again and then I have to enter the password. Now I'll click on sign in and that's it. That's how easy it is to sign in to this app. Now here you can see that it is asking me for more information. So I'll enter my first name and my last name, then I'll click on continue. Now I need to click on I accept your challenge. So now we need to enter your PayPal email address. Now you need to enter the languages which you are speaking. So I'll mark a few languages which I speak. Then the more languages you select, the more benefit you get because you'll be getting more apps to test. Then click on continue. And now you need to enter your phone number. They may ask for a verification to verify your identity, but I know you are a genuine person and that's why you should do it. Now here you need to select the country in which you live. Now they're asking some other questions like, do you want them to send you tests as soon as they are available? Yes. Now what's your gender? Then what's your birth month? You need to enter all of that information here. Now you need to select what's your education and then click on continue. They're asking so many questions because they'll be sending you relevant information and relevant tests to take. Then here you have to enter from which industry do you belong. And then I'll click on continue. Now you have to enter some skills here and then I'll click on continue. And then here you have to enter your information. Now if you want, you can also hide this information if you want. So now here you can select which devices you want to go ahead with, and then that's it. Your registration is complete now. So now once you have done all of that, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you will see the tests available to you. You can see that there are polls which you need to answer, and then there will be some tests available based on these. So this is the basic sign up process. Now all the points you earn will be shown to you here, and all the badges you have earned will also be shown to you here. Now there are various badges based on how much work you have done and how much money you have made, how much performance you have done. So you can also go to the financials tab to see the total balance right now and your payout. So the more money you make, the more payout you do. And as you can see that there is only $1 minimum amount. That means they won't hold your payments for very long. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make money online using this Enroll app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.